get anyone to cut my grass. So I thought, oh well, weed eater, it's going to take too long. I'll try scythe. That's how they used to do it in the olden days. So why not still do it now? So I've managed to find one at Farmlands. Technique to sharpening these things. If it's anything like a old-fashioned one, because that goes on there, I'm assuming, with the part that's hiding it in here. So I might need two hands to get that. So got my scythe put together. I'm not that fussed on the handle, straight handle. I might have to make my own handle with a bit of curve in it, but we'll see how this goes. You can see I've got a lot of grass to get rid of. I'll try and make some hay out of it, do something with it. We'll see how long it'll take me to scythe this paddock. The grasses that hide it. Now I'm just learning. I know my technique's probably not perfect. I'm going to get a grass blade after I've got this down to a reasonable length. This has been let go, this paddock, for so long. I mean, once I get it tamed, it'll be a lot easier. I just really want to mow down all this real long stuff. I can understand you want to keep the blade as clean as possible, maybe take the sticker off. What are you doing, Duke? Hey? What are you doing? You watching? Looking for rabbits? Oh no, gotta watch out for rocks. Rocks in the stomach. Oh, and a ditch. started to rain, but I've cut all that there down with the scythe. All this here. Yeah, I think the scythe works pretty good. Don't have to gas it up, don't have to keep replacing the string, and there's no noise. So not too bad. Sorry about having to see me with my shirt off. It was pretty hot. And I've piled up all that hay there. It was quite a bit more, but I've been using it for the sheep to sleep on in their shelter. And I've got another pile of hay about that size, if not a bit taller,